If you guys want to learn how to make a rainbow trail in Roblox Studio, stay tuned. I'll see you after this. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy Memorial Day. I hope you're having a good weekend. Yes, I just heard before the intro, I said that we'll make a trail today. So what we're gonna want to do first is into the server storage. You're gonna add a trail, and you can change the properties of this trail. I don't know, like with the color, you can make like a color sequence. Like, let me bring this over here. And the first color that we're gonna want is, I don't know, like a nice red. And we'll just like keep doing this till it's all rainbow or whatever you want. All right, so we have a nice good rainbow color, so we can click on close. And now we can, into the service, we can add a script. You can name the script if you want. I'm not. So you want to start off with game.players.playerAdded :connect function. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast. And into that we can do player into those brackets and say end right here. Apparently there's something wrong with my auto where it puts the end for you. Whatever. We can put now player dot character added :connect capital C, good. Function. And then after that we can put in those brackets. We put the brackets and then we put char as another and put another end. Alright, I'll just put an end right there. Actually, I'll make another space. Good. Now we can do local trail equals game. Make sure it's game dot server storage dot trail :clone, and good. Now we can do trail dot parent equals char dot head equals char dot head. And now we can do local attachment 0 equals instance dot new, and then into those instance dot new brackets we can put attachment right there, comma char dot head. And then we can put let's see, attachment on the bottom. We can put attachment 0 dot name equals trail attachment 0. Good. So now that we have that, we can actually copy and paste these two lines right here. Copy and paste these. So Control C and Control V. Whoop. They put that back there, and instead of attachment 0, we put attachment 1 in both of them. So attachment 1, and instead of char.head, we can do char.humanoid root part. Humanoid root part. Very nice. So as now that we have that, we can really define the names and do trail dot attachment make sure it's capital A because I kind of messed that up earlier when I was testing. Attachment 0 equals trail.attachment 0 equals attachment 0. And you can copy and paste this if you want. I'm just gonna write it again. Trail.attachment 1 equals attachment 1. Nice. So now if we go back to the base plate, as I said, it's very, very simple, which I really like about that. We should now have a very nice trail. You see? Very nice. I like the rainbow. You guys can do it really any color you want. Like you can do, I don't know, like red, blue, whatever color you want, or whatever color it gives you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications so you can see the newest videos that I post. There are a few videos that will come up at the end. I hope you really go watch those. Big thumbs up to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.